In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple method to hide the Navigate to Admin banner in Shopify when you're viewing your store while logged in. Now, this is a little trick that's just for you, as it doesn't affect what regular visitors or customers see when they visit your store. So, let's dive in and demystify this banner and find out how you can make it vanish from your admin view. First, let's briefly talk about what the Navigate to Admin banner is. When you're logged into your Shopify admin and you navigate to your storefront or use the theme editor, you might see this gray bar at the top of your screen. It says Navigate to Admin, acting as a convenient shortcut to whisk you back to your admin dashboard. However, it's not visible to anyone else but you and other users who are logged in with admin access. Now, if you find it a bit distracting or would prefer a cleaner view as you admire your stunning storefront, there's a simple CSS hack you can use to hide it just for your personal view. This won't interfere with how customers see your store, so they won't be affected at all. Do keep in mind, though, that this change might reset if your theme updates, so it's something to watch out for periodically. To get started, go to your Shopify admin and click on Online Store. From there, navigate to Themes. Here, you'll see the theme you're currently using displayed prominently. You'll want to locate the Actions button next to it. When you click on Actions, you'll see an option that says Edit Code. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the code editor. Once inside the code editor, you need to look for the Assets folder on the left. Click on it, and within this folder, you're looking for a file named base.css or something similar. Some themes might have theme.css, theme s liquid, or another similarly named file. You'll know it when you see it. It's your main CSS file. Open that file and scroll way down to the very bottom. This is where we're going to add a small snippet of CSS. Ready for the magic words? Here you go. Hide Navigate to Admin bar when viewing storefront. Hashtag admin bar iframe. Visibility, hidden, important, ta. After you've pasted that in, the crucial step is to save your changes. Make sure you hit that save button. Now, for the moment of truth, reload your storefront while still logged in. If everything's gone according to plan, you should notice that the Navigate to Admin bar has quietly disappeared from view. It's as simple as that. You've managed to make your viewing experience just a bit cleaner and more streamlined. This little tweak can help you focus more on what really matters, your store's appearance and performance, without any unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip as handy as many others have. Until next time.